Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, O believers, when you enter into a transaction of any debt for a fixed period, then write it down. And a scribe should write between you justly, and the scribe should not refuse to write as he has been taught by Allah. Then he should write, and let him on whom the liability falls dictate, and fear Allah, who is his Lord, and leave not behind something out of the liability. Then again he on whom liability falls be of low understanding, be weak or be unable to dictate, then let his guardian dictate justly, and make 2 witnesses from among your men. Then if 2 men be not available, then a man and 2 women, such witness as you like, so that either of the 2 women errs in memory, then the other may remind to that one. And when the witness is called, they should not refuse to come, and do not take it as a burden. The liability, be it small or big, write it down along with its fixed period. It is just in the sight of Allah. In it the evidence will be more suitable, and it is nearer to it that you may not be in doubt, save a ready merchandise which you give or take from hand to hand. There is no sin on you if you write it not. And when you trade, make witnesses, and neither any scribe be harmed nor the witness, or neither the scribe do harm nor the witness. And if you do such, then it would be your insubordination. And fear Allah, and Allah teaches you, and Allah knows everything. Surah Al-Baqarah verse 282. And Allah the Exalted says, O believers, stand firmly for justice, giving witness for Allah, maybe therein your own loss, or of your parents, or of your relations, against whom you be a witness, he be a rich or be a poor. In any case, Allah has more power than anyone over them. Therefore, follow not passion, lest you should be far away from justice. And if you distort or turn over, you face. The episode of calumny was narrated. Thus the Prophet ﷺ said to Hazrat Usama when he ﷺ sought his opinion. Thus he submitted, we see nothing but righteousness in your wife. Hazrat Alqama bin Waqas and Ubaidullah bin Abdullah said about Hazrat Aisha's hadith that the statement of some of them attest that of the others. When the slanderers calumniated her, Allah's Apostle ﷺ summoned Hazrat Ali and Hazrat Usama, for the revelation was delayed, and he ﷺ wished to consult about separating his wife. Hazrat Usama submitted, we know nothing else righteousness about your wife. Barira said, I have not seen anything else that she is young girl and goes to sleep while kneading the floor, and a goat comes and eats it. Thus Allah's Apostle ﷺ said, who assists me against the man who has pained me regarding my wife? By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I see nothing else righteousness in my wife. And they said so about a man whom I consider virtuous. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2637.